Previously blocked someone in Gmail and now want to receive their emails again. Fortunately, Gmail makes it easy to unblock an email address in just a few steps. In this guide, I'll show you how to unblock an email address in Gmail in 2026. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in to the Google account where the email address is blocked. You'll need access to your account settings to manage blocked senders. Next, click the gear icon in the upper right corner of Gmail, then select See All Settings to open the complete settings page. From the Settings menu, click the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here you'll find a list of every email address you've blocked. Find the email address you want to unblock, then click Unblock next to it. Gmail will ask you to confirm your choice. Click Unblock again to finish the process. Once the sender has been unblocked, future emails from that address can arrive in your inbox again, as long as they aren't filtered by other Gmail rules. You may need to ask the sender to resend any messages that were sent while they were blocked. If you're still not receiving emails from that sender, check your Gmail filters to make sure messages aren't being automatically archived, deleted, or marked as spam. Filters can sometimes override your expectations even after unblocking someone, and that's how to unblock an email address in Gmail in 2026. With just a few clicks, you can restore communication with any previously blocked sender and continue receiving their emails normally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.